Hello, thanks for watching Investing with All I See is W. Today I wanted to make this video to share with you 2 top picks that will add significant value to your financial investments. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that this video is not intended to provide any financial recommendations. What I provide to you today in this video is insight, and it should be used as guidance for your future investments. Okay, now let's get started. Ticker number 1 is Sorrento Therapeutics. Today, SRNE actually dropped down by about 17% of its share price. Okay, and I know that long investors or day traders are really looking at this company at this time, and I currently don't have any investments in SRNE, although I do feel this is a great buying opportunity. I was recommending SRNE at around $5 share price, but now, given the 17% drop, it's at a really good price right now. You can get in at around the $6 range, and if you park your money there, or depending on what your target is, if you're like a day trader, you can potentially get out at like $8, and if you're going for the long haul, this can go up to simply double digits, easily $10. If you look at Webull, the analysts are saying that the high target is around the $28 range. So just think about that for a second. If you were to buy now, you are getting the share price of Sorrento Therapeutics at 17% off. That is buying the dip, buying low, and sell high. That's my input to all of you. And let's not discredit Sorrento Therapeutics, because in terms of resources and capabilities, we know that SRNE has employees working from the FDA before in the monoclonal antibody center of the FDA. Current employee at SRNE previously worked at the FDA for 10 years. So I foresee that when the innovative product that SRNE is going to launch from preclinical to clinical trials, this company is going to take off. And I really like the technology of the company with the creation of the dummy ACE2 variable. And what ACE2 is, we all know that's how we as humans get infected with the virus. Virus binds to one of our ACE2 receptors in our lungs. Okay, so that's my recommendation. Please consider looking into SRNE. It's really priced very low at this time, and you can get in and you can set your price target. Get in now and get out at a certain price. Okay, so that's SRNE. Okay, ticker number 2 is one that I am currently invested in, is iBioPharma, ticker IBIO. Okay, why do I like iBio? I like iBio because they are a plant-based company, and how they're able to deliver their vaccine is by leveraging fast farm technology. So what happens is the company leverages tobacco and grows the tobacco and uses the plant as a bioreactor. And now when the plant is finished growing, then the product can then be synthesized, and then it can be used for vaccine production. Now, if you think about that, in terms of scaling up, the cost for scaling up a vaccine product that is derived from plants is way much more less costly than, let's say, other vaccines out in the market. For example, like mRNA, Inovio, which is what I really like as well. But when you look at iBio, this company has a lot of future growth. Currently, the share price is, after today's 44% jump at the end of the day, it brought up the share price up to around $3.40. I foresee this share price to go beyond the double digits. And back in 2008, the share price of iBio was actually hovering around $56. So I foresee potential being able to reach up the resistance from the prior years long ago. So let's not underestimate iBio. And just recently, in February, March of 2020, iBio had elected a new CEO, Tom Issett. And whilst researching this CEO, he had come from large-scale companies, and coming from a large-scale background, CEO experience, and coming into a small-scale company in a plant-based vaccine where the company is trying to come up with a solution for the COVID-19 pandemic, I feel that there is potential growth and long-term value. And for those reasons, I'm parking my money there and hoping for a share price of, let's say, $30 to $50. Okay, so I hope this helps. And in terms of Sorrento Therapeutics, this is a really good buying opportunity at this time. Previously, it was hovering close to $8 or $9, and now you can get it at $6.